Here we are in beautiful Playa Hermosa, Costa Rica. We're offering this 1,445 square meter, which is approximately a third of an acre property, for $90,000. It is located on Calle Hermosa, which is a residential commercial road right off the coastal highway, approximately 400 meters, 400 yards to the beach. And this lot has a service access road here going down to a public road, and comes up and has this natural terrace and another natural terrace above with an ocean view. It's ideal for 2 home sites. You can contact me and see more information about the lot at facebook.com/Lote Hermosa. That's Lotehermosa. My name is John. Thank you.